Hi guys. Sorry for not making videos, but something crazy just happened. A hailstorm just came, and yeah. Also, this is San Diego, and it never hails. Hasn't hailed in ever. Never seen it hail ever. And today it hailed. Finally. Never hails. What? Dude, this is so freezing. And this is San Diego. What? Never does that. Oh. Look, here. It's the hail from the hailstorm. I got one. It's on the table. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. This is freezing. I'm gonna walk on this. Oh. That's so weird. Feels like I'm walking in snow. Feels like I'm walking in Antarctica. Oh, it's windy. It's like it's gonna hail again. It looks like it is raining. Probably. Oh, I'm just gonna bring a bunch of others in. Oh. There's so much. There's so much on the table. Open. They're wiggling around in the water. Melting to death. Oh. Little Haley. Haley's Comet. Haley. Little Haley's Comet. That came from the skies and froze. Haley. Number 2. Which is tiny. Very tiny Haley. So crazy. You can make ice angel, but it's cold when you step on there. Imagine you being here. Wow, this is so crazy. What the? Oh my god, the chair blew into here. That's how windy it is. Oh, look here. It's just plain. Oh, it's so frozen. I can't feel it. Now that's how freezing this. Oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. A bunch of it went into the pool too, and I think it melted. Yeah, they're melting. Yeah, because it's water. A lot of water. That's why it melts in the pool.
They're all in the pool, so the big guy.
Yeah, but that's not good for the pool, I think. But look at this. Wait, is Haley okay? Oh no, Haley! Oh wait, you're still here, but you're tiny now. All the others have melted away into water. Wow. This is so cool. This has never happened since I was born. I'm gonna try to find the biggest one. If I can't find 10 big ones in 1 minute, I don't know. I lose a subscriber. Oh, this one's gigantic. Oh, ooh, that one's so small. Oh, I got to the not hail thing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, well, at least 5 now, because this is harder than I thought. Oh no. Got one here. Yes, 5. I got 5 giant hail in 1 minute. Wow, that is frozen.
进来会儿游泳。
Oh,
回来了，
do you know how freezing this is?
快进
This is as freezing. I don't know.
游饭
It's so cold. It's like I don't know, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at these tiny.
这是洗澡。哎呦，我两只都
Crazy.
这么高。
You can play around with them. Look at
没
this.
等没等谁，老手游捞游。
Tag, you're it. Tag, 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 tag. Oh.
Hey, don't go to the table.
If they fall off the table, they might break. You melted them.
Did I?
Yep, you melted them with your hand because your hand is so warm.
It's so cold.
Well, yeah, that's the hailstorm that happened right here in San Diego. So, yeah. See you when I make a bar chart on the future of the top 5 most subscribed YouTubers. That's why I was gone. Bye.